Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. Well, I got an old Harbor Freight Dolly here. These tires probably need changed out altogether, but right now I'm just going to go ahead and change the flat in this and worry about it some other day. Now I put some of the green goo trying to fix this, kind of spun it around in here, and it worked for a day or two and then went flat after a little while. So we're going to go ahead and just change the tube out here. And now I'm going to go ahead and just pull this off side to side, and I'm hoping this is a split wheel here. I'm not actually positive. I would think it is because of the way it's held together. I'll probably have to pull that actually off anyway, but right now I'm just using this to hold it. Whoa. But that just stayed on there and popped right up, right out. So there you go. Now you know. So there's the other side, and we are just going to take this tube and go ahead and bring it on out. Now I could probably actually fix this fairly simply. You can see where it's the green stuff's coming out, so there's just one little hole. In fact, I might save this and fix it one day, who knows. But right now I went ahead and grabbed this from Harbor Freight. Now I will say, you might want to make sure they have these, because I've realized not only have they quit selling this particular dolly, which was a really good cheap dolly, they also didn't seem to have any more 13. This was the last box they had, and it's been retaped up. So we're hoping this actually ends up working. And then we just gotta stick this up in here. Let's see here. I want to make sure that the tube, whichever side it comes out on, is facing the outside. So you want to make sure that's facing the outside. I don't think it really matters what direction these go in or out. Alright, this is kind of the hard part here, trying to get this to go in here without getting it all twisted up too awful bad. Once you get it in there, you can kind of make sure things are where they need to be. And then you need to make sure that this comes out through here. And stick that back on. And then you got to watch you don't pinch the tube in between here. So that, yet again, one of the harder parts. In fact, what I'm going to do is go ahead and actually put a little bit of air in this tube right now. And hopefully that'll kind of hold itself in here a little better. As you can see, I actually put a little bit of air in there. Now it's definitely not full, so it'll squeeze in some, but that worked perfectly. Now that other one should slide in here a lot better. That makes that way out of the way. Then we just gotta stick it back on. Right, and then you want to go around. Says 30 psi. Wait, is it 30 or 80? Yeah, 30 psi cold. So Don't go over that. Oh. Alright, well, for those of you, I did a video on this, and it just broke, which is unfortunate. And this is not the Harbor Freight one that goes with this Harbor Freight dealing bobber here, which I also wouldn't trust. Actually, now that I did that, I am seeing that this seems like it did kind of push in a little bit here, so let's see here. We need to bring this way. Yeah, I'm probably going to let the air out of this and try and get this straightened up a little bit better. Grab my other gun, put 30 psi in it. There you go, now you know. Do a better job of getting this straight. It probably moved a little bit when I tightened this down and I didn't notice it, but it's not super difficult, especially since you can pull these wheels apart here. So there you go, now you know. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junk Works Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.